10 years I've been living down here. This is my first time I've been on this.
Was with my pa, so.
Really? So we got half an hour on these things. We can go explore. There's a treasure island. I want to find the treasure. Where's the treasure island? We have to find the treasure. Ah, look at this one. There's like 6 of them. How's your legs?
Good. How are yours?
My knee is sore. My legs are fine.
Don't even know where this goes.
Huh. Oh.
Probably a dead end.
Huh.
Oh, hello.
Oh.
There's water going through there.
Oh, there's a bridge. That's pretty.
Reverse power, love.
Reverse. Beep, beep, beep. Here to the people. Forward motion. Ah.
Forward. Don't know if we're gonna make the turn, love it. Yeah, I'm sexy around. Or Rapey's corner.
A cool little. I got a photo of that. It's a cool photo. Oh, there's a troll under the bridge.
There's a troll under the bridge.
There's little fishies in there.
Oh, over here. What'd you say?
There's little fishies over here. Yeah. I brought my fishing rod.
They're probably eating all the algae, which is good. They move so quick.
It's cool that I can take a photo while filming at the same time. Oh, look at that.
Oh, brakes.
Back.
Oh, we'll be right. Almost at town. Oh, left.
But you're the one steering. Does he have a snake around his neck? Yes, he does. He has a snake around his neck.
I don't want to walk his snake. How else are you doing?
On a lead?
On a lead.
Cool snake! Yeah, the snake's like just like, oh. He's probably thinking, oh my god, look at all these birds I could eat. Huh?
Look at that.
Oh! Don't want him over. It's so fluffy. Oh. Oh.
That's little duckies.
So fluffy. Got 7 minutes. Such a beautiful day that everyone's out enjoying the sun, the park. Left, Captain, left.
We can't fit through there. We're going to go the
No,
long
we could
way.
go that way.
But I don't know if we're going to make the corner or not.
That's why I said left.
Ready? We're cutting in.
Oh, no, way too shallow, way too shallow, way too shallow. Back.
Look at this stuff, man.
No, I told you to go left back there.
There's a stick. I like that. This is your stuck stick.
So I told you to go left back there. You're not a very good steerer. Not a very good captain. Got an angry swan chasing us. Look, babe, there's a swan right next to me.
Oh, wow.
We got back on top.
Oh, great day for it.
Perfect,
Amazing.
isn't it? You couldn't get any better.
Yeah.
No, really.
So we decided to then hire the kayaks later this afternoon because we're thinking about buying one anyway. So might as well try before we buy.
Those little things that stop the water running up your arm.
Yeah, no, doesn't work. But my legs are saturated, my body's saturated.
Guys on the boat, and so we said we might have to struggle to get onto the bridge.
Yeah. See if we can get up to that walking bridge. We found a pole and we're trying to get the pole. No, it's a bit too choppy, let's not. Come at me, ball. Come here, ball. Come here, little ball. Little pink ball, come here. How? You can't reverse on this thing.
Yes, you can. Throw backwards.
Backwards? What do you mean throw backwards?
Wait up, don't do that. That's a ball. Don't try and grab on.
Alright, there's rocks here. Watch out.
Push with your thing on the ground. On the rock, so you don't end up in it. Like that, see the front of your...
We got the ball! Ah! Don't lose the ball. Oh, it's all Oh, yuck. It's all slimy.
Forward hard.
It's all slimy.
Like you.
So we're home now after a really big, eventful day. It was an amazing day, but I'm just so exhausted now because after we did the little paddle boats on the lake, we then we had lunch and then we had them, and then we were just cutting lap, and then we saw a friend, and then we spoke to them for ages, and then what did we do? We went and got ice cream. We went and had a look at some shops at some kayaks because we wanted to buy a kayak, and then we went and hired one, and we took that out on the river for an hour because we want to try the kayaks before we actually go and buy one, and then, you know, so try it before you buy, otherwise we might not like it. Ben's cooking dinner. Apparently we're doing presents now, even though it's not our anniversary. Our anniversary is tomorrow, but we celebrate today because I just happen to have today off, which is a rare occurrence for me on a Sunday. So we're both working tomorrow, so normally we just go out for dinner, but we decided to do something on today. Exhausted. So I think that's all for today, guys, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. See you later, guys. Bye.